Hey guys, what's up? It's Scar85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Gran Turismo 7 on the PlayStation 5. So yeah, it's been a long old while since the last Gran Turismo, and I'm so looking forward to playing this, especially on the PS5 with the haptic feedback on the DualSense. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. So we've got a Mazda on the front. No idea what model it is. So yeah. There's side, and there's the back. The drive of your life. I'm pretty sure that was a Peugeot slogan on one of their ads, or on multiple ads during the 1990s, early 2000s. I think it was like Peugeot, the drive of your life, or something like that. I'm pretty sure that's what it aired in the UK as anyway, but yeah, just reminded me of that. So, there's some screenshots when it decides it wants to. There we go. Unlock your driving passion as you collect, tune and race over 400 cars and 90 track layouts. Dynamic weather effects and realistic variable daylight timings. Expand competitive play with seasoned events and up to 20 players online. Find your throttle, brake and response. And motion steer with the DualSense wireless controller. So yep, it's 1 to 2 players, 2 to 20 on the online. 110 gig minimum, but I actually think it's shorter than that. I think it's more like 96. Vibration function and trigger effects supported, and in-game purchases, which is a bit disappointed, but I can understand now, I suppose, why they've done it, because, you know, every game pretty much does it now. So there's the disc. There's some health and safety stuff, and we have I think that's the GT40, I think. So yeah, that's it for my rather quick unboxing of Gran Turismo 7 on the PlayStation 5, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.